In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriber-only posts on Substack. Let's jump straight in. Open your browser and head to substack.com. Your publication dashboard should load, and this is where you'll create and manage everything. The interface may look slightly different depending on updates, but the overall flow is the same. Look toward the top of the page for the Create button. Click that to start a new piece. A small menu will appear with different content types. Choose Article. This opens the main editor where you'll draft your post. At the top of the editor, add a clear, compelling title. Right beneath it, include a subtitle to set context or expand on the promise of the headline. Think of the subtitle as a helpful bridge that tells readers what they'll gain by reading further. Keep both short, specific, and aligned with your publication's tone. Now begin writing your post in the body area. The Substack editor supports formatting like headings, bold and italics, block quotes, and links, so feel free to structure your ideas for easy scanning. If you reference data or a resource, keep it concise and make sure your paragraphs are short and readable. Aim to lead with your best insight and guide readers through a logical flow from problem to solution or idea to takeaway. If you paste text in, give it a quick pass to tidy spacing and ensure it matches your voice. When you're satisfied with the draft, look for the Continue button, typically near the top right. Clicking Continue moves you to the review and distribution settings. Take a breath here and scan for anything you might want to adjust before sending, like title clarity or any last-minute typos. Next, find the audience section. This is the key step for a subscriber-only post. Select paid subscribers only. This setting restricts access, so only your paying supporters can read the full article. It's a powerful way to deliver premium value while encouraging free readers to upgrade, so make sure the toggle or option is correctly set before proceeding. With your audience set to paid, you're ready to publish. Click Send. Substack will publish your article to your publication and email it to your paid subscribers, ensuring only they can access the content. If you see a confirmation, you're all set. That's it. Open Substack, create, choose article, add your title and subtitle, write your post, hit continue, set audience to paid subscribers only, and send. Follow this flow each time you want to deliver premium content to your supporters.